Store locators are among the most popular applications built today using Google Maps APIs. Whether you're building a site to help customers find the nearest store or book a hotel, your application needs a place to store and query location data. That's where Google Cloud Platform can help. By building your application using Google Cloud SQL and App Engine, you can scale your maps to millions of customers, no need to buy and maintain your own infrastructure, hardware, or software. For developers looking to migrate their store locators to Google's Cloud, we've created a helpful guide that shows you how to 1. Create a Cloud SQL database table, 2. Perform geospatial queries, and 3. Visualize the data using GeoJSON and our APIs. We also have a sample code library in Python to help you quickly get started. For access to these tools, take a look at our blog.